Hello students, this is Shuprakash and today you will study here the verb be. Be is an irregular verb with several forms. What are its forms? That is, in present tense is, am, are, and in past tense was, were. Now I will tell you why it is called irregular. So take two examples. The one is break and the another one is play. Both are the verbs, and when we take all the forms of break, then it is break, broke, broken, all the three forms. And when we take play, then play, played, played. So play, played, played, it is regular verb, or you can say weak verb. And when all the forms are different, such as break, broke, broken, then it is called irregular verb. As here you can see that is, am, are, was, were. All the forms are different. So now we will study more about it. It can work as main verb and as helping verb also. How it works? Let's see. As a main verb, when it is used, then there will be not any other verb. The only verb will be be. The forms of be is, am, are, was, were only. Shobhit is a doctor. So it is a identification, or you can say it is telling the post. So Shobhit is a doctor. No verb, another verb is here, then it is the main verb. And when it is called helping verb, let's see. He is playing cricket. The main verb work is playing, means the main action is playing, and it is helping verb. So in both ways it can be used. Now I will tell you where it can be used. It can be used in showing any identity, relation, position, post, age, or time. So how it works, I will show you. When it shows identification, then it shows any identity, such as he is Mohan. So the person is Mohan. It shows the identity. It shows identity. That person was blind. It is showing the quality, or you can say the identity, that the person is blind. The next one is relation. It shows relation of any person to any other person. He is my uncle. Sohan is my brother. In both the sentences, he is connected to his uncle and Sohan is connected to his brother. So it is establishing the relationship between both of them. The next one is position. It shows position where we are. All the students are there in the class. The next, the captain is in the field. So in the both sentence you can see that position is shown here as students are in the classroom, and the captain is in the field. So it shows the position where they are. Post, you can also identify the post of any person. His brother is chief engineer in a big company. Then the post is shown here that he is a chief engineer. My father is a doctor. The post is shown here that my father is a doctor. The next one is, we can also show the age of any person. He is of 18. He was at the age of 40 at that time. So in both way you can identify, or you can show the age. The time. What is the time by your watch? If I am asking anyone that what's the time, then we will use it. What is the time by your watch? Or you can say it is, if it is in past tense, then you can say that what was the time by your watch at that time. It is 7 to 10, means it is 9:53. The other uses can also be identified. He is brilliant. He is smart. The quality is being shown here. The weather is bad now. The quality of the weather is shown here. And when it is used with the present participle, then it is present continuous or past continuous. They are calling you, they were calling you. Then present continuous or past continuous, they can be. With the past participle, you are called. Here called is used. So it is passive voice. Here it is active voice, and here it is passive voice. So it is all about the verb be.